Unpack the Pack, Understanding, Send Someone Packing. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard, send someone packing. This expression is not only vivid but also carries a rich usage in both formal and informal English. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Stay tuned. Send someone packing is an idiomatic expression used to describe the act of dismissing someone abruptly or sending them away definitively. It's often used when someone is no longer welcome or has been rejected from a place or situation. This phrase can be applied in various contexts, from personal relationships to professional environments. The key here is the decisiveness of the action. It's not just asking someone to leave, but doing so in a way that leaves no room for doubt or return. The phrase, send someone packing, has historical roots dating back to the early 16th century. It originally appeared in literature and was used in the sense of sending off soldiers or servants hastily or dismissively. Over time, its usage expanded beyond these contexts to encompass a broader range of situations where someone is being sent away or dismissed with finality. Understanding its origins helps appreciate the weight and historical context of the phrase when using it today. Knowing when and how to use send someone packing can be crucial in making your English sound more natural and fluent. Here are a few tips. Use it in informal settings more often than informal ones. While it's not offensive, it carries a casual tone. Context is key. It's best used when referring to situations where someone is being removed from a scenario due to misbehavior, failure to meet expectations, or when they are simply not wanted anymore. Combine it with storytelling. This phrase works well when recounting events or situations, adding a dramatic flair to your narratives. To get a better grasp, let's see it in action. After the third warning, the manager had no choice but to send the unruly customer packing. The coach sent the player packing after he broke the team's code of conduct for the last time. If he shows up late again, I'm going to have to send him packing. Reliability is key in this project. And that's a wrap on Send Someone Packing. We hope this video has enriched your understanding of this colorful expression and that you feel more confident using it in your English conversations. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a fantastic way to add flavor to your language skills and connect more deeply with native speakers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice what you've learned today. See you in the next video.